You tired of this icon on your desktop? Learn about this picture. Now I'm going to show you how easily delete it. The first step, go to Registry Editor. How to go there? Open Start menu, type Reg Edit, press Enter. Now you opened Registry Editor. So next, go to the next path. Current user, here. Software, here. Microsoft, here. Windows, let's scroll down. Windows, current version. Then you need Explorer, here. Then you need HideDesktopIcons. We need to go to NewStartPanel. So here you have to create additional parameter. The parameter name should be like this: new dword 32-bit create, and paste this name. Don't worry, I will attach this name to the video. Now open this parameter and change the value from 0 to 1. That's it. So refresh desktop. Refresh. Now you don't see this icon anymore. If you want to return it back, modify this parameter, set value to 0, press OK, and refresh the desktop, and you see the icon one more time. So if you don't want to remember all this kind of path, I'm going to show you rec file. What is rec file? This is a file which edits the registry automatically. So let's see what's inside this file. It's the same path, and this command automatically create the same as we did previously manually. So double tap on this file. You see the warning that it could be dangerous for you, but don't worry, the command is really safe. Press yes. OK, refresh. Let me check what's inside. Oh yeah, because the value is 0 here, change it to 1. File, save. Close it. Double tap. Yes. OK. Refresh. Now you don't see the icon anymore. You want to see it again? Open the file, change 0 to 1. File, save, close. Double tap. Yes. OK. Refresh. That's it. I'll attach this file to the video. So please don't forget to subscribe, press like button. See you on the next video.